The event is on the back of a project that we've been working on about looking at opportunities to make use of redundant and underused buildings in the rural Vale to create new workspaces. So we've got people that have potentially looking for workspaces, as well as those people with redundant or underused buildings that are looking at ideas as to how they can create new workspaces for new employment opportunities in the rural Vale.
I come here tonight being a farmer and being as it's looking at regenerating disused farm buildings and for alternative uses. I think it's very important that we pursue this policy because the countryside is changing.
Yeah, we've had a great response to the call out for this event, and we've got over 70 people hopefully coming along, and hopefully it will sort of inspire enthusiasm for looking at new opportunities for creating workspace in the Vale.
Well, we have lots of rural buildings, but we haven't decided whether or not we want to develop them, and so this is an opportunity for us to see the planners and see what the rules and regulations are going to be, and of course the best way to develop them.
We're looking to find new spaces where we can engage with the community, where we can provide business support under our contracts for free. So it's a really good opportunity for us to see what's out there and see how we can engage.
I'm Matthew Cope, and this is my partner Fiona George, and we run a business in Lanzarote called Dixie's Vintage Ices. I thought the event was very inspirational.
There was a lot of creativity, and it's interesting to see one of the speakers was talking about upcycling and recycling furniture, and that's what we did, because we started off in a pop-up shop, so we didn't want to invest a whole load of money in really expensive furniture.
Quite a lot of people that are looking for workspaces are working at home, and they feel it quite isolating working at home, and actually they want that whole social interaction and a bit of a sort of a hub of coming to work. So we're hoping that the inspiration from the speakers will sort of build their enthusiasm for potentially looking at co-working spaces in the rural Vale.